Hello everyone, welcome to the Gulf Sniper channel. This is Talali with you, and today is our review for the 9th of August 2021. Our setting is the same. Starting equity is $5,000 and share size is 1,500. Commission per trade for my broker, same EG, is 3.95. Money management stop loss is at minus 3% of our entry, and the profit target is 7%. Looking at the calendar, you can see that our winning rate is 38.5, which is represented by 10 winning rates out of 26 opportunities that appeared in our screener. And we don't bother about the profit because this is determined by the number of the trades that you entered. But the most important thing is to know where did you enter and how correct was your entry. Let me take you through the opportunities, and we will go first with the opportunities that we traded live with our subscribers. Then we'll talk about the top five gainers. We started at 9:35 with LMNL. We entered at 3.52. You can see on the daily that it has successfully passed the 20 days moving average, and it even exceeded the 50 days moving average, and it was about to test the 100 days moving average, but the 200 days moving average, but it did not do it. So our entry is at this candle, and we made a sweet 7% in less than 10 minutes. So that was a perfect one. Then we entered again with LMNL at 10 o'clock at 3.6. 10 o'clock was here, 3.6, yes. And then we made another 7% there. So LMNL was our perfect pick for the day. Next was GMBL, and GMBL appeared at 10 also. We closed the trade here and we started with GMBL, and GMBL was doing also perfect, and it gave us another 7%. Next one is ANY, and it appeared at 10.12. 10.12, and then unfortunately it hit the stop loss. So it appeared at this candle, but unfortunately it did not hold up for longer time, and it went against our direction. It went down here. Then it made excellent movement at the end of the day. I mean, towards the mid of the trading session. But in our case, we were not successful here. Following that, AWX, and that was at 11.26. And AWX made a great movement, and as you can see, it gave us the 7% in around 30 minutes. So that was our opportunities that we were trading live. Now let's go through the top winning opportunities for the day. AWX, we just talked about it, and it made great movement with a great 7%. On the daily, it went all the way down to test the moving averages, both the 20 and the 50 days moving averages, and then it formulated a strong basis here, and then it bounced up. WORX is continuing with us from yesterday's excellent from Friday's excellent performance, and it appeared on Monday, testing the $5 levels, and it did not hold up longer there, and then it started to go down, but it gave good opportunity, and more than one time in the pre-market it has done great job, and then at the beginning of the market, then also in the morning it gave another signal, another opportunity. So it was a perfect one. We talked about LMNL and how it was doing, and I think it will continue with the momentum that it had on Monday's session, but we will see. Following that is GROW, and GROW was doing great on the daily, and in our opportunity it took a very long time, and it was closed manually. So for us, maybe within 15 minutes we will close with a break even and will not get any profit or any loss. Placing GROW with UNCY, you can see that it made in 5 minutes an excellent movement, and it gave 7% in one candle, and that was a perfect opportunity. GMBL, we talked already about it, and we saw how it did and how profitable was it was, but it did not make again the 7%, it just made some around 5%. Following that is COE, and COE on the daily is struggling, and it gave us here 7% in 15 minutes. That was the update for the most winning opportunities on our screener, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact, and I wish you a successful trade on today's session. See you on the live.